Alright, everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and, today I'm gonna cover, expected value, right? So, expected value is it shows up on the ACT, it shows up in stats, but, on the ACT, it's usually, like, only one question, if there are any, so it's not, like, a huge thing you have to know, but it's a really useful thing to know, too, because it has some real-world application, right? And the thing with expected value is it's kind of like the mean, right? Or average, where average is all your terms. So let's say all your terms equals like t. Oh my gosh, sorry. All your terms equals like t, right? Over the number of terms. Let's say number of terms is like n, right? That's your mean. But expected value kind of gives a, it's kind of like almost a weighted average. But not exactly, because, I would say it's a little more, like, I guess, accurate, but expected value is where you say you have a 0.5 chance, a 0.25 chance, and a 0.25 chance, right? And say these are your, x, y's, and then, say this is, like, I don't know, 5, this is 4, and this is also 6, okay? So these are your it's your table they give you, right? Or they could also say you have a half chance of getting a 5, a 0.25 chance of getting a 4, a quarter chance of getting a 6, something like that, right? And if they just said it like this, or I'm sorry, so the keyword you have to look for here is expected value. When you see that, you have to use the formula E of x equals, oops, sorry, n I equals, 5, and then top 5, I'm sorry. Gosh, I have a hard time remembering this formula. X of I times p to the, I think it was xi. Okay, so this is your, expected value formula, right? And nothing too crazy, but you don't want to memorize this, because it's another formula to memorize. And especially if you forget it, it's just a pain in the butt to try to work out. So, instead of memorizing that stupid formula, you can do this thing where you just do 0.5 times 5 plus 0.25 times 4 plus 0.25 times 6 equals, that should give you, what, 2.5, gosh, 1 plus, this, I think it's 1.5 here, right? Okay, yeah, so, and that would just give you, what is that, 3, 4, 5. So your expected value here is 5. And now, sometimes it'll be the same as, like, your largest, percentage, but a lot of the times it isn't, right? So, that's just a basic on how to do expected values, and this is a pretty, not like a huge topic, but it is a pretty useful one, and if you know it, it's just a free question on an exam. So I hope this helps, and good luck on your test.